Client 1 alternatives. In training sessions, certain circumstances mean that facilities and equipment may not be available, so it's important to have an alternative warm-up activity and cool-down just in case. In the warm-up for circuit training in week 1, my client will be using equipment such as medicine balls and sandbags to warm up the arm muscles. However, if this equipment isn't available at the time, then I can substitute them for exercises which don't need equipment, such as tricep dips, press-ups, and also things like shadow boxing, as they all warm up the arm muscles. For this warm-up, I would get her to do 8 tricep dips followed by 5 press-ups, and then I would ask her to do some continuous straight punches as fast as she can for 10 seconds. This will cause more blood to go to the arm muscles, which mean that more oxygen will be getting to them, so they'll be prepared for the main activity. As Beth likes exercising out indoors, it means that for the fartlek training I will need to find a space in a sports hall, a larger indoor space, as it requires quite a lot of room. However, indoor facilities may not be available, so an alternative exercise could be using a treadmill. If she works on a treadmill, I'll be able to change the speed at which she is running at, so it has the same principles as fartlek training, and it will also have the same benefits, so it is a very similar and effective alternative. I'll start off with jogging pace, and then after 1 minute I'll increase the speed dramatically, so she is then sprinting. I'll keep her sprinting for 20 seconds, and then I'll bring it back down to a jog for another minute, and then she will have to sprint again for 20 seconds. Then I'll give her a 30-second walking break, and then it will start again, so she'll do the 1 minute jog, then 20-second sprint, followed by another 1 minute jog, 20-second sprint, and then she'll get the 30-second walking break again. This will be repeated until the end of the session. For the cool down in week 4, for circuit training, my client will be using sandbags to cool down her arm muscles. But if these aren't available, then it could mean that she can't cool down her arm muscles, so it could lead to a delayed onset muscle soreness. However, if sandbags aren't available, then I could use equipment such as medicine balls, resistance bands, dumbbells, or kettlebells to do some short, low-intensity exercises like bicep curls and lateral raises. For example, I could get her to do 6 lateral raises with resistance band, followed by 10 kettlebell swings with a 2.5 kg kettlebell, and then finally 6 bicep curls with a 2.5 kg dumbbell in each hand.